Hello YouTube, Mr. Beam is here with another video. In today's video I'm going to show you how to create a 2D detail item for Scabble. So as you can see, this is a typical stringer base plate detail, and I told you how to create a weld. You can watch the video in this corner, and I told you how to create an elevation for bolts. Again, the video is here. So in this video I'm going to create this Scabble. So let's play with this one first. So I'm going to click on it, typing CS for creating a similar and it's a line based family, as you can see. So you're just creating this shape with an array, and also it has a masking, which is you can see it as a white region, and it's actually a simple family, but it's very useful because we want to show this Scabble here at the slab interface. So we have to create a family. Nobody is going to modify this one and adding those lines. It's just a difficult task to do, so it's better to have a family. So let's go on the file and let's create a new family. On the English, I'm looking for metric detail item line based. I'm going to open it. So on the line, on the create tab on the line, I'm going to use the detail item as a subcategory. So I just want to create 2 lines, but I want to create it as a width of 20. So I'm starting from here and I'm going to create the 2 line, but I need some references. First of all, this length is just too much. I'm going to just reduce it around 100. Let's say maybe 300. Then I'm going to change this scale to 1:5, and I'm going to zoom in this area. By typing RP, I'm going to create reference plane. I'm going to this pick line, offset 10 millimeter, 1 here, and 20 millimeter here, or again 10 millimeter from this line. So I'm hitting the escape. I'm going to the create line, and I'm going to create a line like this and to here. I could even just sketch this line. I'm going to delete this one. I'm clicking on this one. I'm typing MM to mirror it, and you can find this mirror also here, which is mirror pick axis, MM, and we could even draw the axis by typing DM. So, and I'm going to click the 2 line by holding the control key and then typing AR for array. You can find it also here, array AR. So we want to use the move to seconds. The number, for now I will just fill it as a 5. I'm going to pick this corner and then picking this corner. So it will create this one 5 times. And I'm just going to click somewhere in this area. So how many of these we needed? we actually needed the length divided by 20, because from here to here is 20. Let me measure it for you. This is 20. So we have to calculate how many 20 we have in 300s. That's the number of these elements. So let's go to the edit family types and create a new parameter, but we have to create that one. The type of the parameter, it should be an integer. This one I'm going to create as an instance. I will group it as what is just as other. So I will just name it as an n, representing numbers. So how many we have? So on the formula, let's type length which is this length divided by 20. I'm going to hit on the enter. Just one thing, this length is case sensitive. If I use the small l, it cannot understand it. So the first letter is a capital. So I'm going to click on OK. I'm going to click one of these group items, so it will actually also show me the array. I'm going to click on the array, and then you will see that there is a label. I'm going to assign an n, so we have 15 of these. Pretty cool, yeah? So let's save this family. Let's save it as Scabble. And I'm going to save it. And let's load it to the project. I'm going to dispute, going to use it. See, it's very similar. If I use from right to left, it would be exactly like that. So, just one thing, it doesn't have the masking region, so we have to add the masking region to it. So let's edit this family. Click on the edit family. Let's zoom it in this area. I'm going for now to make this one a little bit shorter. I'm going to click on the thin lines. You can type TL, and I'm going to delete this dimension. So let's go to the create and masking region. For now, let's pick lines and having offset 1 millimeter, one of them here and one of them here, and one of them here for now. And I'm going just to connect these, the top lines with the offset of 0. And in this area we have to do something. So I'm going to sketch it like this, and then I'm going to sketch like this. By typing TR, we can trim these lines. And let's type AL for aligned. I'm going to pick this reference plane and this line here, and I'm lock it. Let's do the same thing at the other end. I'm going to just connect these to somewhere here, and having just well, that line is just too short. I'm going just to create another line here. I mean, it doesn't matter how much we have the angle. And then hitting the escape, typing TR for trimming, trimming here, and trimming this area. So typing AL and clicking on this line, then this line, and lock it. So let's test it. Let's finish edit mode. And for now, the outer line is black. So if I move this line, you can see that it will keep its shape like that. And it just in this area is attached to this line. So if I move it, another of these shapes just created, and also the masking region is moving with it. So this is exactly what we want. But before that, I have to click on this masking region. I have to go to the edit boundary. I'm going to click this top line and hitting the tab key, so then all the lines will be selected. I'm going to select it again with right click. I'm going to change the subcategory to invisible lines, and then I'm going to click on finish edit mode. Again, click on the masking region. Let's send this one to the back, and then on the visible, let's associate family parameter and creating new parameter under the type. Let's call it masking with a capital masking, or maybe show masking, and group on the graphics, clicking on OK, clicking on OK, and let's load it to the project. I want to save the changes. Yes, yes, and we have to override it, override the existing version. Yes. So we have created a beautiful Scabble. So I'm going to delete this Scabble. I'm going to use my Scabble. Starting from there, just to here. So you may say that, so this one is sticking out, but that's okay. I mean, nobody will just complain about that one. But one thing, I think we have to modify a little bit this family, because I can see still a little bit black line here, which is coming from this line, because this line is too thick. So we have to just drag this masking region a little bit down, because this is upside down. So let's go to the edit family. And let's zoom. I'm going to click on the masking region. So we have to a little bit drag this line down somewhere here maybe. And let's also drag that one somewhere there. Let's check it again if it's working well. I'm dragging this line to somewhere here. That's perfect. Let's load the project again. Click on yes, yes. And let's override it. Yay! It's fixed. So, just one thing. We have to select these two balls by holding the control key, and we have to send these two to the front. So now this drawing is fixed. We have a Scabble, which is our new family, and it's a beautiful drawing. This is the end of this video. Thank you so much for watching.